Hi, I'm Haley. My partner's name is Bethany, and this is our 21st Century Tech project. The topic for our project are the websites Delicious and Evernote. Here is the website Delicious. This is Delicious's actual website. First, go to www.delicious.com, and I'm going to show you how to use it. First, create an account or sign in. And then go to Discover, and it'll show you what other people are talking about. And if you go to the left, it'll show you the tags. And this is what most people have been talking about today. So, like if I want to go to Friends, I haven't tagged anything about Friends, but a lot of other people have. So if I want to look at something maybe later, just go to add this link, and then you can put what you think about it. And then I've put insert the recommended tags, but if you don't want to, you can insert your own. But I usually just insert the recommended tags. And then you can press add link. And that's all there is to it. If you want to see it later, just go back to remember, and there it is. There's everything I've ever tagged. But if I want to add my own link, just go to add link and say, I found this shirt I like on Pinterest. I just copy the URL and then paste it in here and add the link. And then I'll add a title and make a comment and insert the tags I want. And just save it. And there it is. That's really all there is to using Delicious. It's really simple. But now back to the present. Here is Evernote's page. And here's a perfect example of how I use Evernote for class. We started changing the theme of our blog from school assignments to anything we want to talk about. I chose cheerleading, and I use Evernote to save links I want to put on my blog. Here's Evernote's actual website, and it's very easy to use, just like Delicious. The only difference is, over here you've got notebooks. And like I said, I use mine for cheerleading. So I have one main notebook, and it's called cheerleading. And it's got all of the links I've saved, or all the pictures. And then to the left, there's also tags. So like anything I've tagged to quote, it'll come up. Or cheerleading, it'll come up. Now in just a moment, I'll show you how to clip a note. That's all there is to the actual Evernote website. If you download the Evernote web clipper, this icon will appear on the top right hand corner of your screen. If you find an article or a URL you want to save, you can just click on the icon. And then here will come the name of the thing you're saving. And a yellow box will come around it. And then here is where you add which notebook you want to save it to. Here is where you add your tags. And here is where you add a comment. Here you can press to save an article, save a selection, a full page, or a URL. What exactly is Delicious or Evernote? Delicious is a social bookmarking page that allows you to take any website and bookmark it to Delicious. It's easier than bookmarking something onto your computer because with Delicious it organizes them. Evernote is something you can download or use on the computer that works kind of like Delicious. You can bookmark websites to it, but you can also add pictures, audio, video, whatever you want, and it organizes it just like Delicious does. These websites, from what I saw, can be used for any subject. All you need is computer access. The best ages for these tools would probably be from about 4th grade and older, because that's when you really start to do group work. How is it already being used? Some teachers use Evernote and Delicious to create notes for the class to share, or they put links or pictures and diagrams for their class to use and respond to. Using these tools is very easy. In fact, all you need is a computer. These 2 websites are really useful in school. Let's check out a full list of pros and cons. Here are 5 pros. 1. You can use it to take notes in class. Evernote keeps every class note in a single application, making it so much easier to scan through several days' worth of notes the night before a test. 2. You can go completely paperless. You can use a scanner or even your cell phone's camera to quickly digitize your project descriptions and graded papers so that you never have to worry about losing the original copies. They can be used as portable textbooks. When studying for a test, sometimes you only need your textbook for a few charts and graphs. Instead of lugging that 1,000-page monster to the library, just scan or take photos of the pages you need into Evernote and access them online. You can use it to record important lectures. You can record audio notes on your phone or iPad right in Evernote, so you can rest assured that you won't miss a thing. Organize your research. Evernote makes it easy to drop all those links, PDFs, charts, and book scans into a single, easily searchable notebook. Cons. 1 is the apps crash sometimes, mostly Evernote when you start a new audio note. You have to reopen the app, start the recording again, and the new note will be stable. 2. You have to have an internet connection in order to use Delicious or Evernote. And 3. Even though it can make you go completely paperless, they're not entirely safe from external attacks. The security is simply by SSL encryption, which encrypts the data while it is being transmitted. It doesn't completely prevent it from being stolen by others. How do students use it? One way students use this is to talk to each other when they work on group projects. They can use Evernote or Delicious to send links to each other, send pictures or video, anything. For example, if I was in a group with someone who wasn't in the same class as me, I could use Delicious to send them links, pictures, and videos of things that would help with our project. Thanks for watching.
What?